Welcome to Intellectuals. In this video tutorial, we are going to understand the concept of prime numbers. Now, natural numbers. First of all, see what are natural numbers. Natural numbers are the counting numbers, that is numbers which we use to count. Now natural numbers starts from 1, 2, 3 and so on. The lowest natural number is 1. Now the natural numbers are divided into two types of numbers. One is prime number and second one is composite number. Except one, there are two types of natural number. One is prime number and other is composite number. It means one, this is an exception, this is neither prime nor composite number. Now look at prime numbers. What are prime numbers? By definition, prime number is a number which are divisible by number itself and 1. Number itself and 1. So take us one example. Suppose if I write 3. Now what are the factors of 3? Now I mean to say factors of 3, the numbers by which 3 can be divided. Suppose I want to write factors of 6. So I'll write 1 into 6 is also equal to 6. 2 into 3 is also equal to 6. So factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. It means 6 can be divided by 1 and 6 can be divided by 6. Apart from 1 and 6, we have two more factors, that is 2 and 3 also. So we can say that 6 is not a prime number. This method is easy when you have a smaller number to find out whether it is a prime or not. Now when the problem is a 2-digit or 3-digit, suppose I want to find whether 241 is prime or not. Now in such case, we find the values of the square root of 241. Suppose I find the square root of 241. So exact value I have to calculate, but I see that it lies between 15 square and 16 square. 15 square is 225 and 16 square is 256, and in between that 241 lies. So what I do, I take the factors of 16. I'll write 241, 256 and 225. It lies between 15 and 16 because 15 square is 225 and 16 square is 256. So I take factors of 16 and factors of 16 are 1 into 16, 2 into 8, 4 into 4. So all the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Now I try to divide all these factors 241 by all these factors 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. I see that 241 is only divisible by 241 and 1. It is not divisible by 2 completely, not by 4, not by 8, and also it is not divisible by 16. Say 241 is a prime number because it is not divisible by all the factors of 16. Since I had taken the factors of 16, because 241, the square root of 241 lies between the two values 15 and 16, because 15 square 225, 16 square is 256. So I have taken the factors of 16 and I tried to divide it with all the factors of 16. I found that it is divisible by 1 and it is divisible by 241. So by definition of prime number, a number divisible by number itself, number divisible by number itself and 1 is called prime number. So this is one of the good method to find out whether a number is prime or not. Now, apart from the prime number, we have learned the composite numbers. Now, what are composite numbers? Composite numbers are the numbers which have more than two factors. Composite numbers are the numbers which have more than two factors. Suppose I write 9, I have taken the factors of 16. So factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So apart from number itself and 1, we have more than two factors. So this number is called composite numbers. So we have learned two things in this tutorial, a prime number and a composite number. Prime numbers are the numbers divisible by number itself and 1. And composite numbers are the numbers having more than two factors apart from 1 and number itself. So they are called as composite numbers. So the smallest prime number is 2. This is only even prime number, and this is the smallest prime number which is even. And one more thing, the prime number always ends with 1, 3, 7 and 9. There is some exception except for 2 and 5. Numbers ending with 0, I'll write here, numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 can be divided by 2, and numbers ending with 5 can be divided by 5. So all prime numbers almost end with 1, 3, 7 and 9. 2 and 5 are exceptions. Prime numbers are the numbers which are divisible by number itself and 1. 2 is the smallest even prime number, right? And there are total 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100. In the next tutorial, I am going to give you a list of all the prime numbers from 1 to 1000 and how many prime numbers are between 1 to 100, 100 to 200, 200 to 300. So get in touch with me. Goodbye. See you in the next tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.